Hello, it's Dr. Gwen. I just wanted to take a moment to tell you about the self care kit. So, who needs the self care kit or who could benefit from it? If you are one of those people who never put yourself first because you're always taking care of the interests and needs of others, then the self care kit may definitely be a benefit to you. If you have a hard time unplugging lately, I know with the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Black Lives Matter movement, we are all feeling the impact and our emotions are all over the place. So the self-care kit could be a great reminder and a tool to help you just take care of self. If you are overwhelmed, exhausted, sick, burnout on your job, or just with all of the responsibilities and the different hats that you're wearing right now, the economic impact, then the self care kit again could be a very useful tool. If you want to just take positive actions and improve your overall health and well being, again, the self care kit was designed with you in mind. So, what do you get with the kit? Um, with the Dr. Gwen Self Care Kit, you get 13 tools and strategies to include a recipe. I love to cook and I am sharing my love of cooking with you. So the recipes have a vegetarian or a pescatarian twist. Um, you get a pen. That can also double as a stylus to encourage you to write in a reflective or gratitude journal. Writing is a great way to get all those emotions out. We don't always have someone to talk to. It's great if you do and that you can talk to that person, but sometimes we just want to process it ourselves first, and writing helps you with that. There's a heart in there to help remind you that you deserve the love and affection that you freely give others. Those of us in the helping profession know that all too well. So this just encourages you or reminds you about the importance of self-love too. So these tools are designed to proactively get you engaged in taking better care of self, and it's a tangible reminder. Self care is essential to longevity and sustainability, personally and professionally. We are all on this self care journey, and it's a continuous process. So, I have this little saying here that says, love the work in progress that is you. So, I hope that you will purchase the kit. I hope that you will utilize it. I know that if you do, you will reap the benefits. And I would love to hear some feedback from you. Feedback, we know, is just information that could help us grow. And I would love to know how you're utilizing the kit and how it's helping to enhance your life. Thanks so much.